Ah, so welcome to another episode of my little big project in Piedmont. I've been doing a lot of things at the moment. We have a luxury problem with all the rainfall. I've been tiling some bathroom. Had to organize a lot of things, choose and buy tiles for the apartment downstairs, wood for the apartment floors upstairs. Been working on the pergolas and we've been working on the pool. So since I've been working on so many different jobs, instead of trying to put everything together in one video, I decided to split it a little bit. I can show you 3 walls in the bathroom tiled, but maybe I will wait, put it together when the bathroom is done. In the past 10 days, so we've been working on the pool because we can actually prepare everything around it, and then the last thing to do when the weather is good, maybe in the end of April, to put in the liner. And between now and the end of April, I have to organize the wiring, the electricity, so we can actually use the pump. So this episode is only a little bit about the pool. Well, a little bit. I got help because I really didn't want to do another terrace pavement, which is about 60 square meters and will take me 3 weeks or more. I'm a little bit in a hurry, so my stonemason came to help me out, and we have about a day and a half left and it will be done. Of course, we still have to grout the floors afterwards, but yeah, good. So yeah, I think that for maybe the upcoming months, it might even be easier on me to make videos based on a subject. So maybe if I work for 2 weeks on something, I'd put that together in one video. Then I have to say something else, because a couple of days ago I watched like 10 minutes of 2 chateau owners in France which were coming together, and they were having like not really a Q&A, but something like a meetup. And I'm doing something wrong, because in that video they said that they were filming 3 days every week, 2 days editing and 2 days nothing. I'm actually working 7 days a week and trying to put together a video. It takes me 4 or 5 evenings. So if I group it a little bit more together, it might be a little bit easier for me, because I can actually prepare the video a little bit up front. I must be doing something wrong. I always thought, wow, how do they do it, you know? Anyway, talking about the pool and some project management. So today we're gonna fit the profiles around the pool. That means that we can place the border after, the border stones. This is really hard. Ah. Lunchtime. So I'll make a start with a little bit of help now to make this pavement. The slope is a little bit from the pool downwards. We have the drainage for the water, the rainwater. So if it rains, the water goes down there, and I can basically put 2 or 3 containers to catch that water. The thing with the border stones from the pool, that's why I had to put them first, because normally you put those border stones on top of the pavement, but I want it level. I'm only doing it once in my life, so I want it nice. That's why I didn't buy the border stones with the curve, the flat ones. So it's like one nice level pavement. One left. Didn't make any mistakes yesterday with the border stones, so we have one left. And we cut the last one in the middle. So on that side, well, not in the middle exactly, because there we have 4 and 3 full ones, and then the one cut, and then we have 12 cut, 11, 11 cut, 12. Whoa. Making a good start. Going along here and then towards the edge of the pool. I ordered some sand, some cement, so I can continue on the pool, the pavement around the pool, probably get some help for a day or 2. Maybe we can finish it quick. The rain that we had, it's what we should have every year, but it was very dry in the past 2 or 3 years. So now today I have a luxury problem because all the water that comes running from the hill and even the water that fell in the courtyard, it has to go somewhere. So that water, I have a lot of inspection pots. They're not that beautiful to see, but they're very handy and practical because now I found out where the water is actually coming out. It has to go somewhere. What I did in the past 2 days, it's not raining and I'm filling up my IBC containers. I think that this water is actually better than the tap water. I just don't have something to measure it. So far, without rain, I filled up 3,000 liters. And this one, it's now at 200, so I'm still filling with a speed of about 150 liters an hour. Imagine that. So I have another inspection pot up there. And there was a lot of water coming down. So yesterday we excavated, I put a pipe all the way down here. Because when I built this first terrace, I imagined that maybe one day I could have like a little bit of a stream of water. There is still water coming out. And since I built a terrace, pending a little bit with the hill, the slope of the hill, I think I can have a little bit of a stream all the way down there. Very interesting. Building those terraces is really one of the best things I did because when you excavate, you see that the groundwater level, the water went so deep into the soil. It's wet up to 1.5 meters, so fabulous. So I said I needed a little bit more time because I called my friend. We used the excavator, opened up here. So guess what I'm gonna be doing this weekend? Planting trees, olive trees, fruit trees. I'll upload the video probably Wednesday when everything is done. So another railing. Now the rule in Italy is that if the height is 140 or more, you have to put a railing. So this one is not really necessary, but I figured, since I'm on it, why not make a railing here? It's very nice when you come in, and keeps the pool a little bit secluded. And then on the other side I have 160, 170, so for sure on the other side I have to build a railing. But I'm gonna do it a little bit different. I ordered all the iron. So this is the other inspection pot. And now I have a drain going all the way down there. And who knows, I will have like a little bit of a flow of water there in the future. Great. So the other railing, I'm gonna attach it to the side. Make a little bit of a, put a little piece here and then go up. Oh, it's so beautiful. Everything level, really nice. Found some wood for my olive trees. Still have to check for some more.